Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how to get and use spirit gems in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and we're in Freythorn, where you can find the King in the Mists. And this is one of the easiest places that you can get a spirit gem. So once you defeat the King in the Mists, he's going to drop a skull, and that is going to turn into an uncut spirit gem. From there, we can right click on it, and then you're going to be provided the spirit gem upgrade window. And from here, you can choose what it is that you want to upgrade with your character. And there are other places that you can find spirit gems as well, but one of the most consistent places to find them is if you fight against the King in the Mists. He'll drop those for you, and that is an easy way that you can go about increasing your spirit. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.